Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to set up Autopay in Lendio. Autopay ensures that your loan installments are deducted automatically, which of course helps you to avoid missed payments. Here's how to set it up. First, log into your Lendio account. Now, on your dashboard, go to the loan section. Now select the active loan that you want to enable Autopay for. You're going to see the option payment settings, so go ahead and click on that. And then choose enable autopay. You can link your business checking accounts if you haven't done so already. You're gonna need the routing and account numbers. Now just select your preferred draft date if flexibility is offered, or just confirm the lender's default due date. Review the schedule and repayment amount just to make sure everything is accurate, and once it is, confirm your autopay setup. You're going to receive a confirmation email once Autopay is active, and from now on, payments will process automatically on the due dates, keeping your loan current without manual action. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.